Today we're having a look at the 360-degree camera video baby monitor by Homiee. This one has a ton of cool features that you're gonna want being a new parent. I will put a link of the Homiee in the description box below. Before we get started with an in-depth review, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. The first thing we have included inside of the box is the Homiee support pamphlet. So if you have any questions or need help setting up this device or support afterwards, Homiee is there to help you. And next we have the user manual, which goes over everything you need to know about this baby monitor. One thing I did notice is it is really thick, but not to worry, it's actually a lot more simple than it seems. And next we have the actual camera itself, and it's a really cute looking camera. It kind of looks like a little character. One thing you want to do right away so you don't forget is take off this little film that protects the lens during shipping. Looking at the back of the camera, this is what's used to take the temperature of the room. This is the antenna, which is used to wirelessly connect to your 5-inch display, and the micro USB port is used to power the device. On the back of the camera, we have these 4 black pads, which is used if you want to stand the camera up somewhere, or we have these 2 openings which you can use to mount the camera on your wall. Next, we have the very nice Homiee 5-inch display, and if we flip around onto the back of it, we can see right up on the top is the antenna, which connects to your camera wirelessly, and then we have this little metal stand right here where you can stand it up on your desk or night table. We'll get a close-up look of the display turned on very shortly. Next inside the box is the AC wall adapter with the USB port, which is used for your camera, and then we have the micro USB cable, which is strictly used for powering your camera. And then we have another AC wall adapter, this one also with a USB port, which you'll use with this micro USB cable for your receiver. And lastly, we have the mounting hardware, which you can use to mount the camera on your wall. I've chosen to place my Homiee 360-degree camera on a dresser right beside my baby's crib. Truly the best thing about this camera is the 360-degree rotation up and down as well, so you can totally change the view, and if your baby moves around, you can adjust the camera to that. There's a lot of stationary cameras that just won't do the job, so this camera is excellent with the 360-degree movement. Let's have a look at the Homiee 5-inch display, which is what you use to control your Homiee 360 camera and baby monitor. In the top left corner, we've got the bars which monitor your antenna, and in the top right, we've got the sound alarm enabled icon. We've got the temperature, which you can adjust from Celsius and Fahrenheit, as well as we got the battery monitor level. And on the bottom right, we've got the date as well as the time. The big button on the top of the monitor is the actual power button for on and off. Then we have access to the actual menu, and the menu gives you a variety of options. First being the cameras, where you can add and minus different other cameras if you need to. We'll go back by pressing the menu button. Then we've got the sound detection, where you can adjust the sensitivity of your babies making sound. So sometimes the babies are really loud and move around, and you can adjust that to low or just leave it on default. We'll go back and we'll go into the temperature alarm, and the temperature alarm, you can change it from Celsius and Fahrenheit, and you can also turn on the temperature alarm, so if the room gets too hot or too cold, it'll notify you on your monitor. We'll hit the back button, and then we'll go all the way down to Lullabies, and there are 5 different lullabies plus all. Let's go ahead and have a listen at each one of them. And next we'll go into sleep mode, and you can adjust the different timing that you want your monitor to turn off. There's 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or just leave it off. And after that, we'll go into the settings icon where you can adjust the actual date and time of your actual device. We'll go back, and this one you can go in and you can adjust the default settings so you can erase everything that you've set up. And the I is just your actual software variation. You probably won't need to look at that. Back onto the actual home screen, we'll go down to Shortcut, and Shortcut will allow you to adjust the actual brightness up or down on whichever level you prefer, and then the side to side buttons will allow you to adjust the volume on what you hear of your baby monitor. And last but not least, we've got the talk button, and you can hold the talk button down and that will allow you to talk to your baby one way, so you can tell your baby to go goodnight if you wanted to. So far, I'm really happy with the Homiee 360-degree camera and baby monitor. It's an excellent device and it's going to replace my older version that I had. I'll link this in the description box below if you want to check out current pricing or pick up your own.